Hello everyone. As technology progresses, so do the techniques and tools utilized in the construction industry. This advancement not only accelerates the completion of projects, but also simplifies the tasks of the workers involved. Naturally, the result is visually appealing structures for us to admire. In this video, we will explore various innovative tools and techniques used in construction. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Eurobrick Exterior Insulation System. The X-Clad is an exterior wall insulation system that features a brick-like appearance, making it suitable for modular, new build, and retrofit applications. It can be installed onto an existing substrate without the need for additional foundational work, thereby minimizing time and disruption at the site. Moreover, it insulates walls effectively, contributing to energy savings, reduced heating costs, and lower carbon emissions. Visually, this system is virtually identical to traditional brickwork. Stadium Seismic Expansion Joint Installation Guide. Join us as we walk through the installation process of stadium seismic expansion joints. This system is composed of a unique blend of silicone and impregnated foam components. It excels in waterproofing, sound absorption, vibration damping, and offers a straightforward installation process. Innovative clamshell box culvert installation. This cutting-edge culvert design has earned recognition through an international award. Watch how the installation process unfolds. Rapid Facade Construction System. Facadeclick has developed an innovative clicking mechanism that significantly expedites the process of erecting a brick facade. This system allows for at least a 7x increase in setup speed. A special infill material is inserted between the bricks, enhancing the structure's resilience against various external elements. Automated Plaster Application Machine. This device efficiently applies the provided mortar onto surfaces, significantly simplifying the plastering process. Flexim Roof Mortar Solution. Flexim Roof Mortar is a proven, storm-resistant solution that has been a choice for both new and renovated roofs for over 25 years. This roof mortar is pliable, ready for immediate application, and highly resistant to storm conditions. Window opening creation. Next, we will observe how window openings are precisely cut into concrete walls using specialized ACG saws and tools. With this equipment, workers can cut the wall to the desired window dimensions and proceed to install a new window. Variable height paver drain system. The adjustable height paver drain is a versatile PVC deck drain system designed for paver deck installations. Its unique construction includes a top cap for enhanced rigidity and a built-in tray at the base for paver placement. Cobiax technology for concrete slabs. The Cobiax system is employed to create unique, reinforced concrete slabs that incorporate air-filled cavities, thereby reducing the amount of concrete needed. These voids result in cost-effective construction with a reduced environmental footprint. Thank you for watching. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button to support us in bringing you more insightful construction tips and tools.